Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porpoise and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, set up and start use, train the user, and to hand over the finished product to the client. Commissioning. With the pump running, check the pressure on the main sprinklers. This must be 0.5 bar. Adjust the stopper on the left of the Blimo main valve to adjust the pressure. Use this stopper to prevent the valve opening all the way. This will reduce the pressure. Test the amperage of each phase of the main water pump. Remember that for every meter above the gauge that the water must travel up to the sprinklers, you must increase this required pressure by 0.1 bar. Drain cycle. Initiate a drain cycle and monitor the flow. Adjust the main valve stopper on the right to allow closing and back pressure to increase. Record the flow. 50 cubic meters per hour is optimal. For further support, please contact us.